Previously, we have learned about the 12 standard notes in Western music theory. We have learned their sequence and how the sequence repeats as we move up and down in pitch. To learn more about music theory, we must learn about some of the basic intervals, or the amount of space between two notes. There are many different intervals, or ways to quantify the spaces between notes, but for this lesson, we will be studying the simplest intervals, namely the whole step and the half step intervals. A whole step interval, or a tone, means a distance of two notes. To demonstrate, let's go over some examples. Example number 1. What is the note one whole step above D? Now D is over here, and to move a whole step above it, we jump two notes forward, giving us E. Example number 2. What is the note one whole step above G sharp? G sharp or A flat is over here. And again, to move one whole step above it means to jump two notes forward, giving us A sharp or B flat. Example number 3. What is the note one whole step below D? So again, D is over here. And this time, since we have to move a whole step below, we move two notes backward, which gives us C. Example number 4. What is the note one whole step below B flat? B flat or A sharp is over here. And again, to move one whole step below it, we move two notes backward, which gives us G sharp or A flat. Example number 5. What is the note two whole steps above D flat? Now D flat or C sharp is over here, and this time we move two whole steps above it, 1, 2, which gives us F. Example number 6. What is the note 5 whole steps below F sharp? So F sharp or G flat is over here, and by moving 5 whole steps below it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this gives us G sharp or A flat. Meanwhile, a half step interval or a semitone means a distance of one note. To demonstrate, let's go over some examples. Example number 1. What is the note one half step above F sharp? F sharp or G flat is over here, and to move one half step above it, we move forward one note, which gives us G. Example number 2. What is the note one half step below C? Now C is over here, and to move one half step below it, we move backward one note, which gives us B. Example number 3. What is the note 5 half steps above D sharp? Now D sharp is over here, and by moving 5 half steps above it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this gives us G sharp or A flat. Example number 4. What is the note 7 half steps below G flat? G flat or F sharp is over here, and if we move 7 half steps below it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that gives us B. Example number 5. What is the note 4.5 steps above D flat? D flat or C sharp is over here, and moving 4.5 steps above D flat, 1, 2, 3, 4 whole steps, and then a half step above it, that gives us A sharp or B flat. And example number 6, what is the note 6.5 steps below F sharp? F sharp or G flat is over here. Now we move 6 whole steps below, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and another half step, that gives us F. The variety and complexity of musical pieces depend on the different kinds of intervals that we can hear from them. Moving forward in our study of music theory, counting the simplest intervals, namely whole steps and half steps, is very important, so please practice doing this.